Prime Minister Andrew Holness is asking Jamaicans to be patient as his administration makes the move to a republic. The Prime Minister reiterated that there is a process that must be followed.
It seemed to be a simple matter of just bringing a bill to Parliament. What I decided to do was to put in place a structure so that when it is done well, and we all can be proud of it. So what I'm doing is, number one, we explain to the public that this is our direction. Long before now, in November 2021, I announced a pathway that we would put in place certain processes to get it done. Then I appointed a minister with specific responsibility. Her job now is to order all the steps to make sure it is done properly. She gave an initial response at the cabinet post-cabinet briefing. And when she makes her presentation in Parliament in the sectoral debate, she will give even more detail about the steps. So what I'm saying to Jamaicans is it's not something that we can rush. There are processes built into our constitution that we must follow. We would not want to change our constitution by breaching our constitution. So allow us to do it step by step.
The Prime Minister was speaking at a handover ceremony of the latest unit under the government's new social housing program.